Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexan, Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started a discussion of the first paper with the different chapters such as real number sets, polynomials, pair of linear equation, two variable. Today we are going to start a typical chapter, that is quadratic equation. We have heard this word in polynomials, right? What do you mean by the term equation, expression, quadratic, cubic and everything, right? With the continuation of that, let me directly go to a basic quadratic equation will be always in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, right? एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कभी भी ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में रहेगा, वो भी इक्वल टू जीरो because it is an equation. If it is an expression, we may not have this equal to, right? This is a quadratic equation. Simply remember that a quadratic equation is a polynomial equation which has a degree 2 in single variable. Is it okay? Single variable with a degree 2. Okay. What is that we are going to study in this? We are going to study how to solve a quadratic equation. What did we learn in the last chapter? In the last chapter, we studied about when two equations meet. That is, if there are two straight lines, whether these two straight lines meet at a point or they doesn't meet any time or they always meet on each other. Isn't it? That is intersecting, parallel, coincident. Isn't it? Similarly, what about this equation? This equation is a kind of question which tells at what points it intersects x-axis, because it is always in the equation of x, isn't it? Okay, that is all of afterwards we'll see in other classes, but as of now in this chapter we are going to discuss how to solve this equation. In the last chapter we discussed about how to solve two linear equations. Here we will solve how to solve a single quadratic equation, right? ये chapter ने ये three topics रहेगा. First topic क्या है कि factorization, which is very basic of your maths, right? And the second one is completing square method, and the third one is formula method. And then the last exercise we'll discuss about how do we solve the roots and everything. Clear? Did you understand? Before that, first of all we have to identify the question whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Okay? In order to do that, let us have an example, that is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. If we ask you to check whether there is a quadratic equation or not, how to do? There is an equal to. Yes, it is an equation. How to check whether it is a quadratic or not? Let us simplify it and check whether we are getting x square term in it. Okay, we should get x square term. If there is no x square, we can't tell it for sure that it is a quadratic equation. Okay, see here. A plus b whole square. A क्या है इधर? A square plus b square plus 2ab और इधर 2x minus 6. ये पूरे टर्म्स को एक साइड लाएंगे. क्या होगा? x square plus 1 plus 2x. ये 2x इधर लाए तो minus 2x, minus 6 को इधर लाए तो plus 6. 2x cancels. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Quadratic equation है क्या है या नहीं? अब बोला इधर एक्स स्क्वायर आए तो ए एक्स टर्म को 0x लिख के ए फॉर्म में लिख सकते, राइट? अब बोलो ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है या नहीं? यस, दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, राइट? यस. सो वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई फ्रॉम दिस फॉर्म. इज इट क्लियर? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? Shall we what are the problems of first exercise? Let's do. Now look at the problems here. He is asking us to check whether following are quadratic equations or not. क्या है इधर? ये equations quadratic है या चेक करना है. कैसे करेंगे? एक को मल्टीप्लाई करो इधर. x into 2x is 2x square, x into 1 is x, minus 3 2s are 6x, minus 2 minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Okay, next step क्या है? पूरे वैल्यूज को लेफ्ट साइड ला लेना. x is 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3. ये x square इधर आए तो minus x square, 5x इधर लाए तो minus 5x is equal to 0. Is it right? अब देखो 2x स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर 1x स्क्वायर, देन नेक्स्ट x वैल्यूज को ऐड कर लेना, 1x माइनस 6x इज minus 5x, that is nothing but minus 10x minus 3. Is it a quadratic equation or not? What are the conditions? The first thing is we need to have x square का term. Yes, we have. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Fine. Now देखो इधर second question क्या है? x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square बोला तो x square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is minus 4x. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? वो पूरे टर्म्स को लेफ्ट साइड ला लेना. वही एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4 प्लस 4x इज इक्वल टू 0. राइट. क्या है इधर? एक्स स्क्वायर का टर्म्स एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर गॉट कैंसल्ड. देन द नेक्स्ट एक्स टर्म्स 3x प्लस 4x, दैट इज 7x. 1 माइनस 4 इज माइनस 3. इज इट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन? ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है क्या? नहीं. क्यों? वी डोंट हैव एक्स स्क्वायर का टर्म, एक्स स्क्वायर का टर्म नहीं है, इसलिए ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं है. देयरफॉर इट इज नॉट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. राइट. अब देखो तीसरा क्वेश्चन, a प्लस बी होल क्यूब, दैट इज, डू यू नो द फॉर्मूला a प्लस बी होल क्यूब का फॉर्मूला? अब देखो इधर a क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to, let us multiply these both. 2x into x square is 2x cube, 2x into 1 is minus 2x. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? पूरे टर्म्स को लेफ्ट साइड लाना. x cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus here it is 3 2s are 6x square plus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12x. ये इधर लाए तो माइनस 2x क्यूब माइनस 2 माइनस प्लस 2x इज इक्वल टू 0. राइट. अब देखो इधर x क्यूब माइनस 2x क्यूब, दैट इज माइनस x क्यूब. देन द नेक्स्ट 6x स्क्वायर एंड द नेक्स्ट x टर्म्स 12 प्लस 2 इज 14x प्लस 8. इज इट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन? राइट. नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज इंस्टेड ऑफ x स्क्वायर वी ऑल्सो हैव x क्यूब. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बोले तो एक्स स्क्वायर का टर्म ही रहना, वो भी एक्स स्क्वायर के बाद ही एक्स या कांस्टेंट टर्म्स आना. इधर उससे पहले ही एक एक्स क्यूब का टर्म है, इसलिए इट इज नॉट एन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. राइट. फाइन. लेट अस मूव टू द सेकंड बिट, दैट इज they gave a situation and he is asking us to form an equation so as to find the solution of that. Okay. अब देखो इधर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू कॉन्सेक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स. कॉन्सेक्यूटिव बोले तो क्या? कॉन्सेक्यूटिव बोले तो एक के बाद एक, दैट इज इन एन ऑर्डर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 2 3 आर नंबर्स इन कॉन्सेक्यूटिव. 1 2 3 आर द कॉन्सेक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स. क्लियर? विच मीन्स दे शुड बी इन एन ऑर्डर. राइट. अब देखो इधर लेट क्या लेंगे? फर्स्ट बोलो x एक नंबर है तो द नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा? x प्लस 1 be the consecutive integers. Is it right? अब बोलो प्रोडक्ट बोले तो क्या? प्रोडक्ट बोले तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज 306. सॉल्व कर सकते क्या इसको? यस. राइट. x इंटू एक्स इज एक्स स्क्वायर, x इंटू 1 इज x. ये 306 इधर आए तो माइनस 306. इक्वेशन आ गई ना? समझ में आ रहा ना? दिस इज वन ऑफ अ काइंड ऑफ equation from this solution. If you know factorization you can solve, but before that the question is only to represent in the form of a quadratic equation. They gave a situation, we have to write the equation. Is it clear? Fine. Shall we move on to the next topic? Fine. That is factorization. Hope you know what is factorization, right? I think most of the people are aware of factorizing, right? Fine. The people, even if you don't know how to factorize it, let us solve more and more problems of factorization. I'll directly move on to the problem so that it will be easy for you. Clear? Shall we start? Let's start. Now see here, let us find the roots by factorizing the equation. Now see here, there is a quadratic equation, right? Yes or no? How do you factorize it? The people who don't know factorization, try to concentrate now. ओके, अब देखो इधर किसी किसी फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं आता तो इधर कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर लेना 1 और 10। पहला ये दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर लेना 1 और 10 बोले तो -10। 10 का फैक्टर्स क्या है 2 5 राइट और 1 10 राइट। अब ये दो नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट या ऐड किए तो ये बीच का नंबर आना राइट। whether you subtract or add these two numbers you have to get the middle number right. Now check here 10 plus 1 11, 10 minus 1 9. Are we getting that here? No, isn't it? 5 plus 2 7, 5 minus 2 3. We are getting right. That is, just split the middle term in such a way that we should get -3. When do we get -3? When minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Yes or no? Now let us take x common from these two terms. Then I get x as common here. इधर 5. इधर ये दोनों में से 2 और 10 दोनों में से 2 कॉमन लिए तो इधर x इधर 5. ओके, अब देखो इधर x माइनस 5 कॉमन लिए तो इधर x बचता और इधर 2. दैट्स इट. अब देखो इधर either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, I get it as x is equal to 5 and x is equal to -2. Right? पॉलिनोमियल्स के साथ में क्या सीखा है हम? इधर x का डिग्री 2 है तो उसको 2 रूट्स आएगा. Yes or no? Fine. Are we getting 2 roots? Clear? Fine. अब देखो इधर 2 root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. How to solve it? First of all, we have to multiply this root 2 and 5 root 2. What do we get? That is nothing but 5 root 2 into root 2 is 10. How? Root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? 5 2s are 10. What are the factors of 10? 5 2s is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7. आ रहे ना इधर? अब देखो इसको 5x प्लस 2x लिख सकते हैं. यस. अब देखो इधर x कॉमन लिए तो क्या होगा? x कॉमन लिए तो रूट 2x प्लस 5 और ये दोनों में से क्या कॉमन लेना है इधर? रूट 2 कॉमन लिए तो इधर रूट 2x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. अब देखो इधर रूट 2x प्लस 5 कॉमन लिए तो इधर x और ये सेकंड का रूट 2 राइट. अब रूट 2x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0 और x प्लस रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. अब क्या होगा इधर? रूट 2x इज इक्वल टू -5, x इज इक्वल टू -5 बाई रूट 2 और इधर x इज इक्वल टू -√2. दोनों इक्वेशन दोनों रूट्स आ गए ना. फाइन. अब देखो तीसरा क्वेश्चन. Here the question is given as 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. Here there is single term is divided by 8. First of all we have to take the LCM. इधर LCM लिए तो 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. 8 को उधर भेजे तो 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. How to factorize it? बोलो इधर 16 into 1 that is 16. What are the factors of 16? 8 2s are or 4 4s are, right? 4 plus 4 8. Are we getting? Yes. इसको -4x plus 1 equal to 0 लिख लेना. ये दोनों में से 4x कॉमन लिए तो इधर 4x और इधर 1. इधर -1 कॉमन लिए तो 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. अब देखो इधर 4x minus 1 कॉमन लिए तो इधर 4x बचता और इधर -1. Either 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. I get it as x is equal to 1 by 4 or here also x is equal to 1 by 4. Right? Did you understand? Now see here the next question. Here the denominator itself is x. अब क्या करना? LCM x लिए तो x square minus 3 is equal to 2. अब x square minus 3 is equal to x उधर करे तो 2x. वो 2x को लेफ्ट साइड लाएंगे. क्या होगा? x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. अब देखो इधर 1 3s are 3. What are the factors? 3 1s are 3, right? 3 minus 1 2. अब देखो इधर क्या होगा, minus 3x plus x. ये दोनों में से x कॉमन लिए तो x minus 3, ये दोनों में से 1 कॉमन लिए तो x minus 3. x minus 3 कॉमन लिए तो इधर x और इधर 1. Therefore x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Clear? Did you understand? Shall we move to the word problems now? Now see here. The question given here, he is asking us to find two consecutive positive integers whose sum of squares is 613. What do you mean by this? What are the consecutive terms? I already told. Consecutive बोले तो एक के बाद एक. फर्स्ट नंबर x है तो नेक्स्ट नंबर x plus 1. ओके, अब देखो इधर, let consecutive numbers be x और x plus 1. पॉजिटिव है ना, इसलिए दोनों भी पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. क्या दिया इधर, सम ऑफ स्क्वायर्स. सम बोले तो प्लस, स्क्वायर्स बोले तो x का स्क्वायर और x plus 1 का स्क्वायर is 613 it seems. What is that we have to do? We have to solve it. How to do? X square plus x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x. Isn't it? Let us bring everything to this side. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 613. Clear? अब देखो इधर, 2x square plus 2x minus 612. 1 में से 613 सेपरेट किया तो minus 612. Isn't it? अब देखो इधर, 2x square और 2x और 612 में से 2 कॉमन लिए तो क्या होगा, x square plus x minus 306. Isn't it? अब देखो इधर, x square plus x minus 306. इसको फैक्टराइज है ना, कैसे करना, 306 कब मिलेगा, बोलो, 17 18 size 306 if you remember. That is x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 equal to 0. x कॉमन लिए तो x plus 18, इधर minus 7 कॉमन लिए तो x plus 18 equal to 0. क्या है इधर, x plus 18 कॉमन लिए तो x minus 17 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 18 is equal to 0 or x minus 17 is equal to 0. x is equal to minus 18, x is equal to 17. अब देखो इधर क्वेश्चन में क्या दिए, कॉन्सेक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. कॉन्सेक्यूटिव बोले तो एक के बाद एक, वो भी पॉजिटिव रहना. इधर नेगेटिव आया, therefore this is not possible. Therefore I got the value of x as 17 and the next number is 18. Therefore numbers are 17 comma 18. Isn't it? Did you understand? Shall we look into all problems once again? Now see here. Here he is asking us to find the roots of these equations by using factorization. How do you factorize? We factorize by splitting the middle term. How do we split? By taking the factors of the first and the last term. Okay. Here 1 into 10, that is minus 10. Minus 10 का factors क्या है? 10 का factors 2 into 5 और 5 into 2, 1 into 10 और 10 into 1. राइट, ये चार फैक्टरों में से किसी एक फैक्टर को सब्ट्रैक्ट या ऐड किए तो ये बीच का नंबर आना. राइट, इधर माइनस 3x है इसलिए माइनस 5 प्लस 2. राइट, इवन इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, इफ देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, रिमेंबर दैट ये बड़ा नंबर को माइनस रहना, इधर माइनस रहे तो. ओके, अब देखो इधर माइनस 5x प्लस 2x minus 10. Let us take x as common, then I will get x minus 5. Here 2 as common, I will get it as x minus 5. Okay, the next x minus 5, if I take it as common, I will get it as x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Right, therefore x is 5 and x is minus 2. Clear? Similarly, when it comes to this kind of equations, these are very important and you have to understand a little bit more. First and last term, root 2x square into 5 root 2, that is root 2 into root 2 is 2, 5 into 2 is 10. What are the factors of 10? 2 5s are, 5 2s are, right? Or 10 1s are, 1 10s are. We need 7x. When do we get 7? 5 plus 2 is 7. That is nothing but 5x plus 2x. Okay. And the next step you have to remember is, instead of 2, I have taken it as root 2 into root 2. Then only I can take root 2 as common here. Isn't it? After that we took common and we solved it. And one more typical sum is, he gave one fraction. Then what did I do? I took 8 as LCM, then I solved it. Okay. After that I will send it 8 into 0 is 0, therefore I got a normal quadratic equation, right? And the next, one more fraction in which the denominator itself is a variable. Then I took the LCM as x, then cross multiplied, then I factorized it, then I got the answer. Clear? Finally, this is one kind of word problem. We will solve again in the next session, but as of now, try to understand this simple word problem. He gave that two consecutive positive integers. Two consecutive positive integers बोले तो क्या? First integer x है तो next integer x plus 1. Consecutive बोले तो एक की बाद एक. That is x and x plus 1. Sum of squares, sum बोले तो plus squares बोले तो a first term का square और next term का square. Okay? अब देखो इधर, इसको solve किए तो I will get it as x square plus x minus 306. इसको factorize किए तो x का value मिलेगा. Is it clear? Did you understand? Fine. These are the basic questions of quadratic equation by using factorization. Let us meet in the next session with the more word problems of quadratic equation using a method factorization. Okay? Clear? Thank you.